Hey guys, good morning. So what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we discuss the power of big data insights and applications. So let's get started and press the like button. Now the power of big data is immense transformation in industries, business, and even over everyday lives. Big data refers to large and complex data sets that are too massive to be processed and analyzed by traditional data management tools. Insights and applications of big data are driving innovation and discussion make across various domains. Okay, the next is business and marketing. So customer insights campaigns analyze big data to understanding customer behavior per preference and buy patterns in a bullish personalized market and product recommendations. Okay, the next is market research. Big data help business identify market trend, competitive intelligence, and emerging opportunities. Okay. The next is healthcare. Patient care. Big data analysis is healthcare enhance patient care through predictive modeling, disease outbreak tracking, and patient monitoring. Okay, drug discovery. Drug discovery. Paramedical campaigns use big data to accelerate during discovery and development process. Now the third is finance risk management. Financial institution analyze large data sets to assess credit risk, detect fragile assets, and optimize investment portfolios. Okay, algorithm trading. Big data and machine learning are used for high frequency trading and investment decision making. Okay. The next is transportation and logistic. Route optimization. Transportation companies use big data to optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and improve delivery efficiency. Okay. The next is supply chain management. Big data enables real-time tracking of good inventory management and demand forecasting. Okay, the next is manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. Manufacturing use big data to predict equipment failures, reduce downtime, and improve production efficiency. The next is quality control. Big data analysis help identify defects and improve product quality. Okay, the next is energy and utilize. Smart grids. Big data is used to optimize energy disturbing, reduce wastage, and improve energy efficiency. Okay. Next is Resourcing management. Utilize analyze data to mentor resource consumptions and plan maintenance. So the next is government and public policy. Public public safety. Law and enforcement agencies use big data for crime prediction, resourcing allocation, and discard response. Okay. The next is urban planning. City governments utilize data for traffic management, infrastructure planning, and citizen services. Okay, the next is science and research. Geometry. Big data is critical in geometric research, enabling the analysis of vast DNA sequence for insight into genetics and disease. Next is climate modeling. Climate scientists use big data for modeling and predictions climate changes. Okay, the next is education. Personalized learning. Big data help tailor educational content to individual student needs, improving learning outcomes. The next is administrative efficiency. Educational institutions use data for enrollment management and resource allocations. Okay, the next is social media and entertainment. Content recommendation. Platforms like Netflix and YouTube use big data to recommend content to users. Okay, the next is audience engagement. Social media campaigns analyze user data to enhance user experience and target advertisement. Okay, so the next is environmental conservation. While wildlife tracking, conservations use big data to track and protect engaged species. Okay, the next is environmental monitoring. Data is collected and analyzed to assess the importance of human activities on the environmental. So guys, that's the today's video. In all these domains, the insight derives from big data and transforming decision making process, enabling data driven strategies and improving efficiency. However, it's essential to address privacy, security, and ethical concerns associated with the collaboration and use of large volume of personal and sensitive data in the big data era. So guys, that's the today's video. So please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. So guys, give me your comments. I can create the today's video on your comments. So wait of today's video and bye bye.